rapidly proving to be fool's gold. And it's very, very clear that your health, odds are sugar for your but again, it comes back to personal responsibility. There are people that will let
Destiny.
You've got a pill to take it down. You've got a pill to go to sleep. You've got a pill to be more